For today's makeup look, we're doing this Valentine's Day Crying Bloody Tears makeup look, making the tears with rhinestones. To start this look, I'm taping the edges of my eyes. This will give us a clean edge when we remove it. Then starting with a bright pink eyeshadow, and putting this in the outer corner and in the crease. Then using a lighter pink to blend that out. Then using a dark red shade on the outer corners, creating a winged-like shape. Then using that light pink again for the inner corners. Then going over that with a sparkly pink. Then extending that red shade underneath the eye. Then adding small red rhinestones. I'm not going in any particular pattern, but I am trying to make sure that both sides are the same. Going in a curved-like shape along the eye. Then using those same small rhinestones underneath the eye, creating tear-like patterns to make it look like we're crying rhinestone tears. And adding mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes this Valentine's Day Crying Bloody Rhinestone Tears makeup look. Kind of a more sad or heartbroken look for Valentine's Day. This could also be used as vampire tears for Halloween. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.